Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will solve your doubts on the question that is how to refund skins on Valorant. So we have this support valorant.riotgames.com's page, and on this page I found out that you cannot get a refund on used weapon skins, upgraded weapon skins, weapon skin levels and variants, weapon skin bundles, used accessories like gun buddies, player cards, etc. Also, you cannot get refunds on all these things. So we'll head over to how to refund weapon skins. Now, as you can see, it says how to refund weapon skins. So it says you can only get a refund on unused base level weapon skins purchased within the last 14 days. After 14 days, you will not be able to refund your weapon skins. Upgraded or used weapon skins and weapon skin levels cannot be refunded. So you can log in below to view your purchases that are eligible for refunds and get your refund right away. So on this page, you'll have to basically click on the login button. When you click on login, you'll be promoted to this page where you'll have to enter your username and password, then click on this arrow icon. After that, you'll be promoted to a page where you'll have to enter all the details, and it will also show you whether you are eligible for the refunds or not. And in order to access this page, you'll have to simply go to the search bar, type in refund skins on Valorant, hit enter. Now scroll down and make sure you click on this website, that is support.valorant.riotgames.com, how to request a refund. After you're on this page, you'll have to simply scroll down, click on login and complete the process as I showed. So that's how you can refund skins on Valorant. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.